Guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create a Facebook page. If you're using Facebook and you want to create a Facebook page, so let's see how we can do that. The process is very simple to creating a Facebook page. You just have to simply open your Facebook. The very first thing, you must have a Facebook profile. So just simply open your Facebook and just log in with your profile here. Once you're logged in, and here just click on this see more option, and here just scroll down, click on pages. Now once you are in pages, you just have to click on this create page option here, and here you have to enter your page name. So let's say I have added this page just for example here. Now here you have to enter your category which is required. So let's say I'm going to enter, I have entered these two categories, but you can add some more categories to it. Then just scroll down, and here you have to enter bio. It's optional, so you can skip them, or if you want to add it, so you can also add it. So here's desktop preview of your page, and here's a mobile preview of your page. That's how your page will be look like. I'm gonna do the desktop preview here. So now once you have done, just click on this create page option and just wait for a few seconds. It might take a few seconds to create your page. Just wait for it. And once you are done, now your page is created. You can add further information like your contact, and here your phone number, your email address, your location, your city, town, your zip code, and here you can enter your hours. I'm gonna select always open here. Just enter all this information, and after doing this, just click on next option over here. Now, once you have done, now you have to add a profile picture and a cover photo of your page. So let's see, I'm gonna adding mine. So here I have updated some profile photos, like a profile photo and a cover photo. Now you can also add an action button. I'm not going to add this. Just click next from here. Now just wait for a few seconds. Here you can try to connect your WhatsApp to your Facebook page, but I'm gonna skip this from here. You just have to enter your phone number and just click on set get code. Once you receive code, enter that here and your WhatsApp will be connected. Now from here you can invite your friends. I'm not going to invite anyone. And once you have done, you can also enable this toggle for marketing and promotional emails about your page, and here page notifications on your profile, and then click on done. So once you have done, now your page has been successfully created. So in this way, you can easily create a Facebook page. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.